Bitcoin is moving here into lower levels as we speak. So, but the question is, when will we actually see an end of this? And where will Bitcoin finally gain momentum to go here back to the upside? That is something that I want to talk about today. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get here straight into the charts. So I'm here on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart. So, and as you can see here, Bitcoin is struggling right now to get here into higher levels again. So, and if I charted this here out, so there is potentially here a falling wedge. Yeah, so there is a small falling wedge, but it's a really, really small one right now on the 4-hourly chart. So, but if that falling wedge would break to the upside, then the target would be here all the way up at $47,262 approximately. So, but, and here comes now a big but, for me, it still looks like that we might get lower here, especially if we break here under $45,494. If we lose that level, that is a crucial support level. Let me show you guys why. More or less here. So this whole up move here started from that level, and also here that level was support. Then we broke here under that level, but here broke above it again, flipped again to support. Here it was support, here it was support, here it broke under it. So that is a key level that we have to hold here in Bitcoin. So if that level breaks, then we will definitely go all the way down here to the 0.618 to the Fibonacci retracement of $43,276. So and obviously that would be really bad for some of us that have trades open, also like me. That would be not the best. Yeah. So and we are still here in a good shape, but we should be prepared that if we lose $45,494, that we will go way lower than where we are right now. So the bulls have to keep that level in terms of that we can move here higher again. So, and what I would like to see from the bulls is when I look here also on the volume, if the volume comes up here now, no, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, so I would definitely see if my volume bars would here now work, my volume indicator, definitely a huge volume spike with a move to the upside, and then also some follow through based on the volume while the Bitcoin price is trading here into higher levels. Also, the golden cross here is coming really, really soon. So we are talking here 3 days approximately where we should get it. So, and if now the price action is not starting to trade here back to the upside, then we will get a fake out, and that means the 50 will only touch the 200 and then roll over, and then also we will get into lower levels. So here also the Bitcoin price has to come up in the next 3 days at least to $48,000 approximately, in my opinion, here to this level, to keep the trajectory upwards for the 50, so that we will get here a strong golden cross. Otherwise we will see something like a small loop like this, and then we go down, and that's not what we want. Or we see directly something like this, and then we go down. That's also what we don't want. We want something like this, and then the price action above this. So, but we should prepare and be prepared for both cases here. Also, the long-term outlook is not that bad when we're looking on the BLX chart. So that's the weekly chart. Here we actually bounced off to the dollar from $42,522 here and moved back to the upside. I think that level on a weekly scale will hold. I don't see us going under this level, even if we retrace now a little bit. But yeah, the golden ratio is in between. And I would like also to see here from a weekly perspective that we close over $47,422 here, and then continue to move here into higher levels. Let me get also quick into Ethereum. So Ethereum, that looks absolutely not good right now for Ethereum. So we broke here under the golden pocket of the Fibonacci extensions. That did not give us any support. We are sitting now at the bottom of our support zone. So, and if that breaks, then we will also get here lower. So then the next level where I think we will get a strong bounce would be $3,182. And if that unexpectedly would not give us support, then Ethereum is also here in big trouble to get under $3,000 again, potentially for a last time. So, but the way how this drop is structured doesn't look really, really good for me. In terms of here getting a rebound to the upside. Because what happens normally when we get something like this, you see the first initial drop, you see then a sideways move and a slow move to the downside, and then you have another deep leg to the downside, and only then we bottoming sideways out and come back up. So I hope that this is not the case for Ethereum, but we don't live off of hopium. We have to live what is in front of us. So, and that does not look good, even though if we have also here potentially a falling wedge like this. So, but here also we have to break over $3,362 to confirm the breakout. And then the target would be all the way up here at $3,580 for that falling wedge. But yeah, we have to see actually that the breakout is happening here. So then I want to go quick into my trades. Here on Bybit, I'm right now again 38% in minus, which is fine. This trade is just a pure trade based on profit. So if I lose the trade, it's not the end of the world, but obviously I hope I'm not going to lose the trade. And on Phemex, it looks a little bit better. Here I'm only 6% underwater, $3,000. That can turn around quite quickly again. And if you're an experienced trader and you want to also take advantage of the trade calls that I usually give absolutely for free on my Twitter or here on my YouTube videos, then you can go in my pinned comment below and use my link for Phemex. There you still get a $1,200 bonus, or my link to Bybit, and then you still get a $3,000 bonus. So both links are in the video description and in the pinned comment below. Then let's get here quick into EGLD. EGLD is surprisingly performing really, really well here. You guys remember I had told you that if we break here over $219, I believe that we go here way, way higher in EGLD. So in the next logical target would be the 1.618 at $315, $320 approximately. And what we are seeing right now, lo and behold, we are breaking out. So that is a nice trade opportunity here. I would wait, obviously, that this candle is now closing at above $219 and wait for the next candle to continue to push here higher. And that would be then the moment where I would get into this trade and trade it all the way up to $314. Then I want to get also quick into Solana. Solana is right now here also trading in a falling wedge and squeezing here into the apex. So we should see here also quite quickly a breakout to the upside to confirm that falling wedge. And then the only question is, will we break through the 1.618, which should give us now a little bit resistance? And if we do, the technical target would be also here $216 for Solana. So if you want to take here that Solana, a new Solana trade, wait for the breakout above $188 approximately, and then you can trade it up to $216. That's the technical target for it. So it could technically also break to the downside. So, but the chances are like 80% that a falling wedge breaks to the upside, 20% to the downside. If it breaks to the downside, the target would be, in my opinion, then $155 here, that Fibonacci extension level 1.236, and if we would drop lower than that, then $148 as the last level, as strong support, where we should then get a bounce in Solana. Guys, I'm really sorry that I did not cover today again Cardano. I wanted to cover it, but my browser for some reason doesn't let me open Cardano, so I really wanted to cover it. but for some reason it did not work. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and also all notifications. That's it for today's video. Once again, if you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is mycryptocoach. And don't forget, smash up the likes, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I see you tomorrow.